Okay, we've all been there, right? You grab your phone and it's just black. Nothing. No lights, no sounds. It's like a little brick.
Oh yeah, that silent treatment from your tech is definitely panic-inducing.
Totally. So today we're going to do a quick deep dive, like a rapid fire guide to try and bring that phone back from the dead.
Yep, gonna give you some clear, actionable steps. Think of it as tech CPR for your phone.
All right, first up, and don't roll your eyes the super obvious stuff, because honestly, it's often the simple things.
Like, is it actually plugged in?
Yeah.
And is the charger itself working?
Exactly. Check the cable, make sure it's snug in the phone and in the wall adapter. Maybe try a different wall socket too.
Definitely. Sockets can go bad. And try a different cable and adapter if you have them lying around. Rule out the easy stuff first.
Good point. And another one, hold that power button down, like really hold it.
Yeah, not just a quick tap. Give it a solid 15, maybe even 20 seconds. Sometimes phones just fall into a really deep sleep, you know?
They need a proper nudge awake.
Okay, so what if you've done all that, held the button, checked the plugs, and you're still staring at a dark screen?
Right. Then it might not be off. It could just be frozen, like completely stuck.
Ah, the frozen screen of doom. Happens more than you'd think.
So the next step is a forced restart. It's kind of like pulling the plug on a desktop, but, for your phone.
Right. The method varies, though. For iPhones, the newer ones anyway, it's a quick tap on volume up, then a quick tap on volume down.
And then you press and hold the side button. Right, keep holding it.
Exactly. Don't let go until you see that Apple logo pop up. That's your sign it's working.
And for Android, it's usually a bit different.
Yeah, most Androids, you'll press and hold the power button and the volume down button together.
Okay, both at the same time.
Hold them down for, again, maybe 15 to 20 seconds. You're listening or feeling for a little vibration or looking for the manufacturer's logo to appear.
That little buzz is such a relief when it happens.
It really is. It means it's likely just rebooting.
Okay, let's shift gears a bit. What if you hear a notification sound? Or maybe it vibrates when you call it, but the screen stays black.
Ah, okay. So the phone might actually be on, but the display isn't working.
Right. Tricky one. Is there a way to check that?
There's a neat little trick, actually. Grab another phone or a flashlight, darken the room a bit, and shine the light directly onto your phone's screen.
Oh, interesting. What are you looking for?
Look really closely. Sometimes you can see very faint images, like the ghost of your lock screen, or maybe some icons.
Ah, so the screen is getting power, but the backlight or something might be gone.
Exactly. Or, like you said, try calling it from another phone.
Yeah.
If it rings or buzzes, the phone itself is powered up. Points towards a screen issue, not a won't turn on issue.
Okay, but what if it starts to turn on, you see the logo, but then it just gets stuck there? Or goes black again right after?
Right, the dreaded boot loop or getting stuck. That suggests maybe a software glitch during startup.
So not totally dead, but not usable either. What then?
This is where things get a little more technical. You might need to try recovery mode. It's like a hidden diagnostic menu.
Recovery mode. Sounds serious.
It can be, but it has useful tools. For a lot of Android phones, you often get there by holding power and volume up together when it's off.
Yeah.
But check your specific model.
And iPhones.
iPhones are different again.
Yeah.
You generally need to connect it to a computer, Mac, or PC and use Finder or iTunes to access recovery options.
Okay. And once you're in recovery mode, what can you actually do?
Well, you usually see a few options. One is often wipe cache partition that clears out temporary files and sometimes fixes boot issues without losing your data.
That sounds like a good first thing to try in there.
Definitely. There's usually also a factory reset or wipe data option, but be super careful that erases everything. Your photos, contacts, apps, all gone.
Oof. Yeah, last resort only for that one.
So, if you try the charging basics, the force restart, the screen checks, even peeked into recovery mode, and still nothing.
Then unfortunately we have to start thinking about hardware problems.
Yeah. The software tricks can only do so much. It could be the battery is just completely shot and won't take a charge anymore.
Or maybe the charging port itself is damaged. Lint can get in there, or the pins can get bent.
Or internal damage you can't see. Maybe from a drop or water damage, even if you think it dried out.
Right. So if it's looking like hardware, what's the move?
Well, first check your warranty. If it's still covered, definitely contact the manufacturer or your carrier. Let them handle it.
That's the safest bet.
Absolutely. If it's out of warranty, well, if you're feeling brave and technically inclined, replacing a battery or a charging port yourself is sometimes possible in some models.
But that comes with big warnings, right? You could make things worse.
Oh, absolutely. It requires care, the right tools, and you risk voiding any remaining warranty or causing more damage. So proceed with extreme caution. Or better yet, find a reputable repair shop.
Okay, wow, that's quite the troubleshooting journey from simple plugs to potential surgery.
Hopefully, somewhere along that path, your phone decided to rejoin the land of the living.
Fingers crossed. We really hope one of those steps did the trick for you. If did, hey, let us know which one worked.
Yeah, we're always curious. And if you're still stuck with a dark screen, maybe tell us your phone model and what you're seeing.
And maybe, just maybe, this whole ordeal is a little nudge, you know?
Yeah.
A reminder to back up your important stuff regularly.
Definitely. And perhaps treat our phones a bit kindly. Avoid those super hot dashboards or freezing nights. Just some food for thought.
Good advice. Until next time.